Hello and welcome, as it is the 6th day of June 2018. My name is Derek. I'd like to welcome you to the Crypto Day morning. Like always, everything within your own risk and own reward as far as any trading decisions is concerned. And price action on Bitcoin remaining within the 18 average. Yesterday I came down to the 18 average of lows, but has now rallied up. Also towards this line here, this line represents a 23.6% correction from the high to the low. It hasn't rallied any further from that point, but so far it is successfully correcting this 18 average, that if it's able to get above, the next test would be the 38.2% level. And at about 8,000, there's also a big Fibonacci at around 7,900 as it is anyway. So a pierce above to 8,000 wouldn't surprise me if it can manage to get above this level. You still have seen no signs of this breaking down, the 18 that is. And this is enough right now where the 18 of lows is in a flat situation, and the 18 of highs is gradually getting that flat spot too as well, bringing a lot of neutrality and further indecision within the Bitcoin market. Let's take a look at a few altcoins, including ZEN, which had a very large down day yesterday. And this is what it looks like. Down after a few days. Yesterday, it was at a high of 358. It went down to as low as 284, but it pretty much went down instantly. And continuation, further price going down as we look at this now. Single hour time frame, as the price action came up to this 18 average and just fell. The timestamp on such was at 3 p.m. Eastern. Let's take a look at a article posted yesterday a little before the fall. And it's on ETH News, which ZEN Cash attack privacy security concerns over privacy coins, which is basically a recent rash of double spend attacks on ZEN Cash and other privacy coins is exposing a potential security oversight that has already cost investors and exchanges millions of dollars. This article talks about how at 10:43 p.m. Eastern Time on June the 2nd, that 620,000 US dollars worth of them were double spent. And the attacker typically deposits a coin with an exchange only to reverse the transaction on the blockchain. They would then deposit the original coin in an offline wallet, and when the coin is posted on the exchange, would withdraw the now laundered duplicate coin as well. And at the bottom of this page, I read something here that says the hacks are coming at a time when many governments are cracking down on privacy coins, citing security and fraud concerns. Exchanges in Japan and South Korea recently delisted Monero, Zcash, Dash, among others. Now, the degree to the level of this FUD is, for me, undetermined, but that is what I am reading within the market. And of course, technical analysis on ZEN as we look at in the 60-minute time frame. Whenever you have a big move lower and then you correct in any type of form that brings you back down, just leaving the 18 average to such like this. Well, before down this low, you're like, ooh, man, it's down a lot. Maybe I should not sell or buy a little bit, which obviously worked out. Now you're at this point, well, it's just breaking down below. This thing potentially could have more downside move left. And let's finish this off within a burst on the daily term time frame, which has actually got a bullish setup, which is something many altcoins do not have. Price action falling from the March 9th highs down to the 188 lows. And I made nice support in here at the end of April, making it back up to the upper end from where it came from during the February to March resistance level, successfully finding yet another higher low and a successful correctionary move within the 18, leaving the 18 average on May the 30th and June the 1st area, making it back to its previous high, a pierce below, but it's managed to have its red candle down and now 3 green candles up. So this looks like it may be poised to set up a decent size move to the upside. And the keyword is obviously maybe, or probability odds suggest that the chances are pretty good. This is your classic spot of your downtrend turning into an uptrend. A major level of resistance we could see hit a couple times in here, a few times in here, a short amount of time on 2 occasions here, and now it's gotten above this level and has been holding, staying above. Of course, if this trend area fails, if the sideways range between 343 and 374 ends up falling to the downside, then you got all this empty space where you could have a fast move very, very easily. And I would presume next to about 320, 322. But for now, this does look like it's got a good bullish candidate moving forward for today. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.